Part 2. This is part 2 of week 1 for quarter 2. So for part 2, we have page 4, assessment, application, or outputs. So in this part, for assessment, letter A, you're given numbers 1 to 10, which is multiple choice, and you have to choose the letter of the correct answer and write it in your answer sheet. So for this one, solution is not required, but if you have solution for this, the better, because I'll be giving points for you, but it's optional. Solutions for A is optional. Number 1, letter A, number 1. So for letter A, number 1, what is the leading coefficient? So what is asked is the leading coefficient of the polynomial function. So again, the leading coefficient is found in the leading term. Okay? So it is found in the leading term. Kanang number nga naa sa leading term. Kaya unsa man na pag-identify ang leading term? Katong pinakadako og exponent. So kinsay pinakadako og exponent diha? Mao nay leading term. Ang number nga tapad ana niya, ang coefficient nga number ana niya, mao nay leading coefficient. Okay? That's for number 1. Number 2. One of the graphs below does not represent a polynomial function. Which one is it? You go back to page 1 in your graphs. Tanawa ang page 1 ng mga graphs. Then ang mga samples sa polynomial function. And then sa timong choices, asay nalahi. Obviously, kasi wala dito sa atuang page 1. Mo na answer. Number 3. Which of the following is a quartic polynomial? When you say quartic polynomial, the exponent is in the what degree? Fourth. Okay, 4 ihang degree, meaning we have x raised to the power of 4. So dapat x raised to the power of 4. Inig-adto nimo sa choices, wala man. Sir, wala man. Ang imong buhaton, kay naka-factored 4 man ang uban dira. Tanaw nimo, asay dili. So kung dili na, ayon nagpakialami. Ato ka sa mga factored form, nagduda ka nga abasin ka to. So imong i-try og tanaw ilang mga exponent kung pila. Kay ba man mo og ko ano, loss of exponent kasi mahitabo sa x squared og x squared kung imong i-times. So nanay mao na ang clue ninyo for number 3. For number 4. Number 4, if you are to sketch the graph of x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4, which one could it be? So what you're going to do is to factor x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4. Imo na i-factor. So mag-expect ka og tulo ka factors. Okay? X, kay x cubed is x times x times x. And then, kaning sa negative 4 nga part, magunahon na ka, unsa nga mga numbers, tulo ka buok nga inig times nimo negative 4. Imo nang basihan sa mga drawing. Sa letter A, quadratic man na. When you say quadratic, squared. So meaning, dili na mao kay cube man ang imong given. Okay? Adto sad ka sa letter C, kapila man na ni tuyok imong graph. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaupat man. So, cube raman. Alis ka sa letter D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kada wave is 1 degree man. So, kamo na bahala. Obvious na kayo. Number 5. Give the degree of the function whose graph is shown at the right. So, tanaw na nimo ang wave. Kada ana is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ana. Kada kuan mo na pasabot. Number 6. Which of the following functions will pass through 0, 0? So, asa nila ang moagi sa 0, 0 kung imong i-graph? So, ang buhaton nimo ana, imo nang i-graph tagsa-tagsa, pero kapoy man. So, sa mataghap lang. Ang problema di, bud kay ba mo graph? So, naay mga app na mo graph. Para masayon, download mo og Mathway na app, mo graph na siya og polynomial functions. Okay? Tagaan ka sa graph, anak. Number 7. Number 7 na siya sa page 1 nga definition. Number 8. A polynomial function is in the fourth degree if the leading coefficient is 6 and the constant term is -5. Which function could it be? Leading coefficient is 6. Niya raised to the power of 4 kay fourth degree man. So pangitaon na nimo. Niya iyang constant term -5. Asa man. So tricky kayo mga choices. Labi na sa letter C o letter B o kana kay kinahanglan pa nimo i-multiply. Pero kung tan-aw na nimo diha, siguro kung imo na i-simplify ang letter C, ang uban pa. Ang letter B mo na yung multiply, makitaan ko na nimo dara. So, kamo bahala na, ana. Number 9. Which of the following is the same as, ang gihatag sa number 9 is factored form. So, imo na i-foil, imo na i-multiply. Then, tanaw nimo sa choices, asa ang igawas nga answer nila. So, imo na i-times ang x plus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 3. Times na nimo sila tanan. Number 10. For number 10, which statement or statement is or are true about the function -2x raised to power 5, blah, blah, blah. Asay true na nila. Roman numeral 1. It is written in standard form. So, is it in standard form? If it is, so imo na butang og yes. Number 2. Leading coefficient is -2. Is it? So, butang mo yes. Number 3. It is a fifth degree. Is it a fifth degree? Butang mo yes. Number 4. It can have at most 4x intercept. When you say at most 4, pinakadaghan na ang 4. Okay? Pero ang degree mag-determine kung pila iya kabuk x intercept. So kung ang degree 5, of course, x intercept is 5. So we say at most 4, pinakadaghan na ang 4. Nya 5 man. So asa sa choices ang tinuod para sa number 10. Okay? Now we go to letter B. For letter B, you are given number 1. So letter B, you have to show your solutions. Tanan required. So number 1, give the standard form, the degree, the leading coefficient, and the constant term of the function. I already have given you an example for this one in the first video for part 1, katong exercise number 1, where if the given is h of x equals 2x plus 1 and then squared, then 2x minus 3, what you're going to do is to simplify or to multiply this one. So, imong buhaton, since ang kanang 2x plus 1 is raised to the power of 2, so kaduhaon na nimo 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. And then, times 2x minus 3. Okay? So, multiply ka. Di na ako padayon nun, kaya wala lang po mong trabaho. Multiply na nimo. Kana. Kung man mo multiply, masimplify na siya nimo din kana sila. Ang pila gani answer ana, mao na sad imong i-multiply diha. Dayon imong i-arrange into descending powers ang exponent gikan sa pinakadako hangtod sa constant. Nya, diha na identify nimo ang degree, leading coefficient, constant term. Okay? So pare-parehas sa og gibuhat sa first video. Number 2, explain why -2x raised to the power of -5 blah 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 is not a polynomial function. Okay. Since I failed to discuss, when can we say that it is a polynomial function? It is a polynomial function. That's polynomial function. It is a polynomial function. Polynomial function siya kung iyang exponent is ay dili polynomial basta ang imuhang exponent fraction. Dili polynomial basta imong exponent fraction. Dili polynomial function basta imong exponent negative. Dili polynomial function basta exponent negative. Dili sa polynomial function kung ang imong variable naa sa denominator. Meaning, nahimo siyang denominator imuhang variable. So, dili polynomial function. Dili pod polynomial function kung ang imuhang variable is under a radical sign na ang nabutang sa mga square root, cube root, nasud imuhang variable dito. Example, when your exponent is negative, when your exponent is a fraction, when your variable is under a radical sign, when your variable is in the denominator. So these are the cases where we have this, if naaganin ni sila sa imuhang gihatag na function, that is not a polynomial function. Kung naani sila, na a negative exponent, na a fraction, na as radical sign, or asa ani nila, maski isa ani nila nasagol sa imuhang terms, dili na siya polynomial function. Number 3, you have to write the polynomial function. You are given the roots and you are asked to give the polynomial functions. For example, if you're given the roots 1, negative 1, 2, 0. Since you're given these roots, what you're going to do is to change these roots are actually the answers or the values for your x. So if you're given these values for x, what you're going to do is to change this into factored form. So when we change this into factored form, butangan na nimo x, upat man ikabuok no. So upaton sa nimo. Upat. Okay? So now, opposite imong kwaon. Kaning positive 1, imong ibutan niya negative 1. Okay, factored form man eh. Kaning negative 1, kaning negative 1, ang opposite po ana, so plus 1. Kaning positive 2, ang opposite sign po niya, negative 2. And then kanang 0, we say x plus 0 is simply x. So meaning kung ang imong roots, ang answer is 0, it's just simply x. So pwede na wala diha ang iyang ka-plus. So x. Okay? And then from here, multiply na ka. Multiply na nimo, multiply ka na, multiply ni nimo, multiply. And then after, kanisad silang duha. Multiply ni nimo. Dayon, kanisad. Ikaw man, kung masimplify na nimo imuhang answer para dinhi, para niya dinhi, nakakuha na ka sa answer ana, ngunya nakakuha na ka sa answer diri, imo na sad silang i-times. Dapat nakasimplify. So, imo na sad silang i-times. After, imo na yung isuwat ang function. So, we say, if naari, human mo times na, kung ako ning padayonon ako So, mahimo ning, ako ning padayonon ha. So, x times x is x squared. X times positive 1 is positive x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. And so, because x times x is x squared. And then negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Okay, simplify. So x squared, x minus x man na. So kani, i-combine ani matangtang. So mahabili na lang sa ako ang example is kani. Okay? And then times x squared minus 2x. Then from here, we multiply. So x squared times x squared kana sad kanipod silang duha. Okay? So extend to sa ubos. We have x squared times x squared is x raised to the power of 4. X squared times 2x is negative 2x cubed. And then negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Negative 1 times negative 2x is positive 2x. Okay? So, money, na-arrange na, tanaw ni mo, if na-arrange na ba in descending order sa iyang powers, imo din siyang isuwat as function. So, f of x equals. So, mo na ni, ang gipangita, your polynomial function. Inanaon ang number 3. Okay? Number 3. Next, For number 4. For number 4, express the function y equals 2x cubed. So, imong buhaton sa kaning y equals 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 17x minus 6. Imo siyang i-express into its factored form. So, imong buhaton kay x cube man ni, sabot pa sabot na kay tulo ka x. 1, 2, 3. Yan naman ni kuyog 2x ay 2. So, naanay kuyog-kuyog ang isa nimo ka x na 2x. Okay? And then, sa negative 6, imo po na siyang i-factor. Magitagaw factor sa negative 6 na ma-fit din hi. Unya, daghan man. Magsige mag-trial and error sa kuan-kuan. If i-discuss should ko ninyo another video na po siya. So, I suggest you go to Mathway or kato akong giingon or sa Mathway kay i-graph ni para sa inyo ha. And then, adto makita kung pila jud ang imong gikinahanglan for this ng mga numbers sa Mathway. Okay? Kay it will give you, kung ako discuss diri, another video na po. Taas kayo. Number 5. For number 5, pari-parihas na sa exercise number 2. Okay? For number 5, exercise number 2. Tanawan na diha. Mo na imong buhaton sa number 5. So, refer to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 na discussion. Okay? Now, sa last part, for your enrichment or reinforcement activity, for problem solving na, you have to show your solution. And dali ra kaayo. So, for Roman numeral 4, ang buhaton na basahon mo no. A cell phone manufacturing company uses the profit function. So, to identify the profit or ginansya sa cell phone company, ilang gigamit ni nga function. So, to determine the profit, mo ni ilang gigamit nga function. Negative 0.09 x squared plus 5,000 x minus 750,000. So, mo ni lang gigamit nga function para mag-identify sa ilahang ginansya. Kwarta ha, so yung answer ani in pesos. So, sa letter A, buhaton, what is the degree and the leading coefficient? Oh, kay ba na mo ato? Sa yun na anak, degree na yun leading coefficient. Okay? Sige na ito balik-balik. Sa letter B, compute the company's profit in pesos if 10,000 cell phones will be manufactured. So, namo buhaton, ang X, imong pulihan og 10,000. Kay 10,000 daw ka cellphone, pila daw ginansya kung 10,000 ka cellphone, imong ang mahalin. So, imong buhaton ka na 10,000, imo nang i-substitute diha. Imo nang i-substitute sa diha. Dayon ikaw Q. Okay? Show your solution. Inanaog na ang part 4. So, mauna to. Daghang salamat.